Maggie82, this is 13 Magic Dan, and I'll be performing Shaken Together. Okay, we've got a regular deck of cards here, and we need 2 help cards, so we're going to use the 2 black kings. Okay, we'll just set them aside. Okay, now we need a card selected, so say they pick this one here. Okay, so remember it. Okay, and now we're just going to put this card, and we're just going to push it in, just like so. Okay, give the deck a couple of cuts. Okay, just like so, and just give it an overhand shuffle. Okay, now we're going to get the 2 kings, put one of them there, take the king of spades and put it there. Okay, now what we have here, in between the 2 kings, we have this big block here. Okay, now what's going to happen, I'm going to shake the packet and they're going to pull themselves together. Okay, so we're just going to push them in. Okay, just give it a couple of cuts as well. About half, I think that's about half there. Okay, now we're just going to shake the packet, okay? So they're getting together and now finding your cards. Okay, I think they've done it. Okay, as you can see, the 2 black kings have caught 1 card. And what's your card? 3 of diamonds.
Yes, it was.
That was Shaken Together, Miss Maggie82. I hope you like it.